In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a talking AI avatar with HeyGen. By the end, you'll know exactly how to go from a blank page to a generated clip of an avatar speaking your words, all inside the HeyGen interface. First, open HeyGen in your browser and head to the home page. Give the site a second to load so all the tools on the dashboard are ready. A stable internet connection helps here, since you'll be generating video in the cloud and you don't want anything timing out midway. Next, look to the left-hand side of the screen and click on Avatar. This takes you into the area designed specifically for talking avatars. Think of it as your workspace for building a short video where a digital presenter delivers your message. If the page looks new, that's expected. You're in the right place. From here, click New Video. This opens the editor. You'll see a canvas in the center and controls around it. The goal is simple. You'll provide the words, choose how the avatar looks on screen, and then let HeyGen handle the animation and lip sync. Now, type your script into the text field. Write exactly what you want the avatar to say. Keep your sentences clear and conversational, and aim for natural pacing. Shorter lines are easier for the system to time well. If there are tricky words, add a quick note in parentheses to guide pronunciation. Read your script once out loud to check flow and emphasis. A comma or period can make a big difference in pacing. Before you generate, you can change the look. This is where you select the avatar style and visual presentation. Pick an on-screen avatar that matches your message: professional for product explainers, friendly for customer onboarding, or energetic for announcements. You can also adjust framing and background so the composition feels clean and distraction-free. Try to maintain good contrast between the avatar and backdrop to keep the subject readable at a glance. When everything looks good, click Submit or simply press Enter. That tells HeyGen to start generating the video based on your script and visual choices. At this point, it might take a while to load. That's normal. Rendering time depends on your script length and current server load. Keep the tab open and let the process finish. You'll see your talking avatar once it's ready, complete with synchronized speech and facial movement. And that's the full process. Open HeyGen, go to the avatar workspace, start a new video, type your script, refine the look, submit, and wait for it to generate. Follow these steps and you'll have a clean, professional talking AI avatar in just a few minutes.